That's it or what? Let's go, baby. Just soaked our shirts in the pool. Messed up on the filming a little bit. We also just changed Clinton's tire. We went to Langston's. Tommy Smirchel pulled up, dude. Clayton's in the garage. We all just dipped our shirts inside the pool to cool down, and we're gonna go on a ride right now in this 95-degree weather, dude. Let's go. Okay, we got Clayton out here too. He's got the steed.
Gotta change the, or not change the bars. Gotta lower the bars every time I put this drawn in, but she works. Once we're done. Let me see what you got.
Hell yeah. Let's go check out Tommy's setup in the van, dude.
Oh, dude. Chillin'.
We're back, dude.
Are back. Get riding, dude. Where's your bike at? Get out here. Get her started. Get her warmed up. What are you walking for? I got my helmet on, dude. I'm ready to go. We're gonna start riding. I'll try to film as best as I can. Maybe we'll stop at some spots when we're fucking around and I'll film some stuff. But I need to get a GoPro so I can get some more riding stuff for you guys. I know it sucks, but we'll get there eventually. But yeah, we're about to go take this ride through Paris. Good thing we went and rode the track for a minute. Did a little bike test basically for all the bikes. All the bikes seem like they're running good, right?
Yes, sir.
Clinton's is going good. Tommy, how'd your bike feel today? Feeling pretty good? Can handle this ride?
Oh, it'll make it.
It'll make it.
It's 100, dude.
If not, we'll leave you in Canyon Lake for your dad to come pick you up.
There, dude.
I did, Clayton's didn't tighten his CDI box properly when he got his new one. He was all stoked about telling everyone about how he got this new box and then didn't even put it in right. So he's putting it back on properly now, and hopefully it'll hold the whole ride. You should bring some zip ties with you just in case.
I might have some.
Just toss a couple in there. You never know what could happen. Buy a zip tie, save a ride.
Is the rope swing still there?
No, someone broke. We're gonna start heading to the back lakes. I'm gonna try to film as much as possible because Tommy keeps calling me a bitch for not filming more riding content. So
I got you.
I can't do that much more riding anyways, or jumping or doing anything crazy. So I can just stay behind the pack. My bike's a little slower and just film these guys going off. So it should be better. Hopefully I don't let Tommy down this time. Oh yeah, first kick. Got you. Yeah, I've ridden the skate park before my BMX, never on the 50.
So slippery, bro. I've ridden it on my BMX.
Let's go, dude.
Had to wait for security to leave. He's leaving.
He told us before we could even get in there that we're not allowed to be in there. We're like, dude, we just want some shade, bro. Ride is pretty sick so far.
Honestly, the skate park.
Stopped filming for a little bit because my arm got tired. My collarbone arm, and I'm throttling, holding my weight, filming with the other one, so it was getting a little annoying. We're kind of just riding through the neighborhood, so I was like, oh, this is whatever. I don't even know if I'll put that part in. But we ended up at Goetz Park or Getz or whatever however it's pronounced, dude. I don't know. I think we're gonna try to get a couple laps into this park after the park guy leaves, and then fucking off to the back. Dude, what just happened?
Dude, I almost fucking died, man. Holy shit.
What'd you do?
I came in, hit that fucking row over there. Bike was sideways, third gear wide. I'm sideways, power sliding hardcore. Boom. And it was like, boom, perfect. I was like,
Dude, Tommy, we were just ripping through that section, bro. We almost died. I'm following Tommy through this section, fully topped. Like, whoa, 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 whoa. Crazy.
all the bees. That explains the bees. First there, dude.
Bee country, dude. No.
I'm allergic.
I'm going to the back legs. I'm allergic too. Allergic to your bullshit.
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking jump in that water.
The water's gonna feel so good. Back to it. That was pretty sick though.
That water stinks.
Yeah, you don't have to do
We're
it.
gonna go hit the lake.
Let's go to the lake.
And then fucking you can get that shit off.
We just rode down all that up here. I know, I wish I had a GoPro. See, it'd be so sick with all that footage just now. We were going crazy.
I never power slid.
Sorry guys, we're gonna go throw it sooner. It'll get better, don't worry. Made it to the back legs. Sweating, dying right now. I didn't bring my shorts, so I'm gonna get my underwear and just jump straight in. I don't even care. It is so hot right now. Is he getting in there right now, Clinton, or what?
Fuck yeah, dude.
I'm going in there undies, dude. Shit, Tony's. Oh yeah, that feels so good. Oh.
I need a spin.
Good, dude.
Motherfucker cold. Motherfucker. Fuck Ford Ranger.
You just said it was hot 10 minutes ago.
Oh no.
God, I love the back legs, dude.
Ranger.
Oh my god, bro, it's fingerless.
Not gonna be able to tighten the top nut.
Your fucking pussy's fingerless, dude.
Nice.
You fit 2 dicks in there.
First you said you wouldn't tell anybody. Now we have.
It's all over the internet now, dude. It's on the vlogs.
Bro, you guys ever had one of those tri-tip sandwiches from
No. Alrighty then. We're gonna get Clayton clothed back up. Clayton's ready to go. I'm ready to go. Mullet's ready to go. And we're gonna go to the other side now. Right up to past that house and then go to the little Kmart and get some tall cans or something. And then here's on back to Clayton's house. There's just down there. That shit's gonna be deep. You think we can make it? Your eyes so far. God, big up first now, motherfucker. Woo. Well deserved. Woo. Alrighty then, time to head back and fucking hit the pool, dog. Let's go. Let's get out of here.
Stop over that cut, yeah. Motherfucker down the road, homie.
We just made it back. Now we're gonna drink some beer and go swimming, dude, in the pool. We did a little back legs quick set, drop in, dip in. It was pretty fucking sick, but this is where we reside, boys. Let's go. Made it to the pool. Logan's here now.
Dude, you said it wasn't cold. It's fucking nippy.
Should have felt the back legs.
I just did.
Dude, full
I can't
dart.
really swim. So.
Full dive. Got one to the ledge.
It's fucking freezing, bro. I don't play no games. If you mean my beer will get ice cold, but it's chill right here.
Dude, no way. With the beer in your hand, skim it and drink the beer at the same time, dude. Don't be a sissy. Oh, sit down on the ledge. No, you missed the ledge.
Oh my god, it's
Jump in is way better. Oh! What the fuck are you doing?
Fucking at Clint's pool, we just did a fat ass ride through Quail Valley in the 951 all the way to Back Lakes. If you don't know, you know. You do know, you might know. But
Of course, lattes.
I don't even think it knows.
Got some lattes going down. Yeah. Let's go, baby.
There you go.
Let's go.
Sunburn, baby. You know how it is.
What does it say? It says properly chill.
Wish they could smell videos.
Dude.
Smells
I
so
don't even know
good.
how to explain the seasonings I had on this beef jerky. This is actually supposed to be beef jerky.
That's great.
But I didn't make it last night. So now
Now it's
part of
steak.
it.
Is that a water chair or a game chair, bud? It's pretty gamey right there. Pretty neato, bud.
Dude, what's up? You guys ready?
Yes, sir. Let's go. This
Hot off the grill. You should probably give it a minute to cool down, huh?
I mean, just grab a plate and then tell me what you want. Look at it. Potatoes not ready. There
Gosh darn it. I can just get a little piece of everything. Chef Clinton going to culinary school too soon. Bro,
Thank you.
cooking it up right now.
Fly on my legs, homie. Hey, this fly, I'm about to kill him, dude. This fool's attacking my legs. It's just screwed up.
That's it or what? What we got?
I think so.
The potatoes down. Yeah, the potatoes.
Alright vlog, we had our pool session at Clinton's house. I mean, typically we hang out a little bit longer, but Clinton's pretty smoked from the ride. And I got a couple of buddies telling me to pull up to Canyon Lake to do a beer dye. Neither me or buddy know what a beer dye is, but we're gonna go check it out and we're gonna hang out in Canyon Lake and see what that shit's about. So maybe we'll get some Canyon Lake clips, we'll see, who knows. If not, then till next time, guys. Yeah, I can see his little face in the mirror. Oh!
Let's go!
Get out of here. What? No, I'm not live streaming. I'm making a YouTube video. I make vlogs.
Oh yeah,
Shit's tight. Alex Warden vlogs.
Fuck yeah.
Alex the Warden.
War dogs.
War gangsters, dude.
War gangsters.
You know what? We're getting shirts. We're making a whole group. It's gonna be a gang.